We are going to do a project on transformer and we are the team.
Myself Samir from B.sc Aviation first year.
And I am Tarun from B.sc Aviation first year.
I am Sandy Bosco Murray from B.sc Aviation first year.
I am Rohit Kumar from B.sc First Aviation.
I am Shashank from B.sc First Year.
We have studied transformer in basic electrical and electronics, and now my team members are going to learn on practical work. First, transformer. Transformer is a device that transfers the electrical energy from one place to another place, either increasing or decreasing the voltage.
A transformer basically works on a principle on electromagnetic induction, in which have two types of coil. One is primary coil and another one is secondary coil.
There are many types of transformer, but let me see few types of transformer. There are step up, step down transformer, core type transformer, shell type transformer.
Now see the model circuit diagram that consists of the transformer, LED and diode.
Now let's see the working of the model. Here I have connected a 12 volt transformer, that's a step down transformer, and first we are taking a 230 volt AC current and stepping down to 12 volt AC current, and we are converting the 12 volt AC to 12 volt DC using bridge rectifiers, and we are using a capacitor to filter the 12 volt DC output, and we are checking out the output using a 12 volt DC motor and LED. Thank you.
Thank you.